Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, but we're gonna do it just a little bit differently because I didn't want to do just like a regular old I talk to you, you listen, you click out of the video after like 30 seconds. No, I didn't want to do that anymore. So I'm going to be doing a playlist style, kind of like a lit get ready with me, and I'm going to be listening to some music that I absolutely love. So if you want to hang out with me for the next few minutes and listen to some music, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. My heart's on fire. I'm used to getting what I want, I get my way.
I got no shoes. Never go put my name on it account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. You know how these bitches love me? I'm on these big, I'm on that cash shit. No, I'm not your man, and I'm a girl, and I'ma call you my shawty.
She know how to throw it back.
She know how to get me right.
So what are you explaining? Could've been a seamstress, still wouldn't cut 'em slack. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Sipping on something that match my shirt. It's for the dick, I'm hot as a crock pot. As long as my rent getting paid, I could care less what a bitch think. Won't he do it? I'm about to lose it again. I'm about to let them know where I'm from. Don't take me there again. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what your favorite song is, and last but not least, make sure you are subscribed before you leave. That would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!